Hey gang, here's the new aircraft rescue firefighting vehicle for the Bentonville Fire Department. They just gave a really neat demonstration about the firefighter can stay inside the truck and shoot water on whatever needs to be shot at, like a aircraft in distress or a crash or something like that.
And this is basically heat protected.
You see sprinklers all along the visor. They rain down into the sprinklers underneath.
It's housed right close to the airport here and can be on the scene within 3 minutes or less.